Hello. Let's try to help someone here. Let's try to help someone. Let's try to help someone. Um, Hello.
Yeah, hello.
Yes, my friend. How are you?
Yeah, I'm good. How you
I,
doing?
I'm okay. You said you are from which country? Cameroon.
Yeah, I'm from Cameroon.
Yes. How is Cameroon, my dear friend?
Okay.
You can hear me nice.
Yes, I'm getting you now.
All right. Tell me your problem. Tell me the problem that you are facing.
The problem is that the laptop is switching on but not displaying.
No display. What did you check there on the display side? What did you check about the
I
laptop?
changed a different screen. No way. I changed a different RAM. Still no way. I plug it to an external monitor. Still no way.
Still
But
not,
I've
still
managed
not,
the laptop.
still not working. You said it's Dell Latitude E5470, right?
Yes.
So you are a technician. You have some basic tools to fix the laptop.
Yes, yes, I have some basic
Uh, you change the different RAMs. It's not working.
come again.
You said you have changed some RAMs, but still it's not working.
Yes, yes.
Okay. Um, I think in this case you have to first of all you have to ask yourself what are the conditions um, that you must the things that you have to check which affects the laptop to display properly. You have checked the RAM and it's not working. The next step, do you have a multimeter that you can check the RAM voltage? Did you check the RAM voltage on the motherboard?
I've not yet checked the RAM voltage.
You have a multimeter with you, right?
Yes, I'm having a multimeter.
What I want you to do, just power on the laptop, or at least connected on the charger, and check straight on the RAM. There are some ceramic capacitors there. I'm sure you must have around 1.2, 1.3 to 1.5 volts, depending with the power supply of the RAM on on your laptop.
Okay.
We just want to have assurance that the RAM voltage is present before we move to check on other stuff.
Yeah, that's right. I can see now.
So what voltage are you getting there when you check on the RAM? You the motherboard is open,
Yeah, the motherboard is open. It's open.
but you can power it on.
Yes, I can power it on. Let me power it.
Power on the laptop and check and tell me what voltage are you getting on the RAM power supply. It's on. Go straight on the RAM and put your black probe on the ground and the other probe on those capacitors around on the RAM itself. You see the RAM? We have some ceramic capacitors on the RAM. So I want to have assurance that your RAM is like this, right? That's your RAM. It's DDR3 or DDR2 RAM.
You're having two RAM. Two RAM.
So do you have any voltage there?
Having 1 point.
You have 1 point what?
Yeah, 1.2.
1.2. All right, all right. That's fine. So if you have 1.2, we have the assurance that the RAM power supply is working, and this can be a tricky fault. But I think what you can do. Do you have a programmer?
I don't have a programmer.
You don't have a programmer. Oh, I think the other thing that you can try on such kind, because if your laptop is coming on but no display, it can be a lot of things. Trust me, it can be a lot of things. But the basic things that you can do, you can try to change it, define and RAM. If it's not working for you, what else you can do is to check the RAM power supply. The RAM power supply, it seems to be okay because you are saying he has got 1.2, which is fine. The other thing that you can do is to reprogram the BIOS chip. Maybe the firmware from the BIOS is corrupt. And in this case, you don't have the programmer. That is the challenge that you are facing. But try to look for a programmer. You see, these are the programmers. They are very cheap. On AliExpress, you can get it less than $5.
Can you send me a link where I can buy it?
Yeah, after this conversation, I'll leave a link on where you can get the programmer. But if you don't, in this case, you are saying you don't have programmer. Did you check all the coils? They have voltages, especially those coils close to the those coils close to the processor.
Okay.
They have voltage. You must have around 1 volt there.
Yeah, it's giving 1.2.
1.2.
Yes.
You see you have that peak that you sent me on the video. You have all those coils which are close to the processor. What voltages do you have on other coils?
They give 5.4.
5.4. That one is for the 5 volts power supply. What other voltages are you getting on coils?
Come again.
What did you check all these coils close to the processor? You see this CPU with the black heat sink.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, all of them are giving
If
1.2.
I'm to check on this small video that you send me here, there are these coils which we have double coils just next to on the right side of the processor of that heat sink. We have those double coils, which I believe is the vehicle power supply for the processor. And on top we have this single coil. On top of those two coils, we have this single coil. Did you check what voltage do you have on that coil, which is on top of the top right of the processor? Because on the left side we have the RAM, right?
Yeah.
On the other side of the processor we have a single coil there. What voltage do you have there? I believe that with the coil for the GPU, for the graphics. You have voltage there.
14 volts.
14. No,
Yes.
I think you are doing something wrong there. Because that coil maybe okay. Can you send me other photos, full photos of the motherboard?
Okay.
Just try to send me full photos of the motherboard so that I'll check. Maybe that coil is going to the charging. It's not the one which you are looking for. Because I want you to check the GPU power supply to see if we have voltage there. Or are you able to locate the GPU power supply?
I'm not able to locate it.
You are not able to locate it. Uh,
Yeah.
just pay attention to the coils close to the processor, okay?
Okay.
All the coils close to the processor, they must give you around 1 volt or 0.9, 0.8 volts. That's the kind of voltage that I'm looking for.
Okay, I'm having 1.0.
You are getting one. You are getting 1 volt.
Yes, 1 volt.
Okay. Besides 1 volt, what else voltage do you get? Are you getting there?
I have 4.5. It's fluctuating from 5 point.
Okay.
Today is fluctuating.
I think in this case, uh, here you have to. We'll go back to the same issue. You have to look for a programmer, because what I found on such kind of motherboards, the firmware from the BIOS chip is getting corrupt so easy. You know the BIOS chip, right?
Yeah.
That big chip like MOSFET, the firmware inside that chip is getting corrupt so many times. I think what you have to do, I'll leave a link. You try to order the BIOS the BIOS programmer, and I'll be giving you links of videos how you can program, and the how you can, where you can get the bin files to reload the firmware of the BIOS, because
Okay.
this can be a tricky repair. But what you can do before we condemn the motherboard, I think there's need to reprogram the BIOS chip.
Yeah, that's what I'm thinking.
If you are sure that you have tried with the 3 4 RAMs and still the display is not coming out, uh, I think the only thing that you can do, because I'm sure the voltages they are there, but what you can do, if you have tried the different RAMs, you have tried different screens, uh, you have tried with another screen, right?
Yes, with another thing.
What about trying using the HDMI port? Have you ever
I've
tried?
tried with HDMI port, showing that the television was detecting that block at HDMI port, but it was not displayed.
Was not displaying.
Yeah.
So yeah, this can, you have one option there of reprogramming the BIOS chip. If that option is not working, I don't think you can do anything on that motherboard. Maybe the GPU inside the, I'm sure this is some kind of on that motherboard we have the one chipset, right? Like big chip like the processor. Do you have another big chip besides the processor? If you are to look on the
No.
whole motherboard, do you have any other chip similar to the processor?
Uh, yeah, yes, keep them similar like the processor.
Okay, I think what you can do, after we have ended this video, just send me the pictures of the whole motherboard, both sides,
Okay, okay.
both
I'll do
sides.
that now.
But I am sure your problem, uh, if we after reprogramming the BIOS chip is not working, mostly the GPU is dying so easily. And in this case, maybe you need a reballing machine just to replace, but it's not worth it, especially i- in my country here. It's not worth it. I'm not doing reballing, but we can try just to buy a BIOS programmer, because the BIOS programmer, especially on AliExpress, is so cheap. It's very cheap.
Okay.
So I will leave the link, and you try to purchase one. I'll give you all the
Okay.
I'll give you all the files concerning the bin files.
Okay.
So yeah, it was so nice to talk with you, my friend.
Okay. Same here.
Yeah,
Same here. It's okay.
it's okay. Thank you. Good day.
Yeah. Please don't forget to send me those links.
Definitely, I'll do so. It's unfortunately the kind that such kind of fault is a little bit tricky. But if you have anything, don't hesitate to ask me. We'll try to help you in the future. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Too.
Bye.